Welcome back to Max's Garage Mahal. We're going to do a little unboxing for you real quickly because I purchased something again that I really like and I've really used, and the sucker has at least twice gotten me out of a bind where I was out in really hot weather. S10 just absolutely wouldn't even wiggle. Couldn't get myself home from the lumber company, so my little Foxpeed Jumper Starter, man, that thing worked perfectly, and I had to use it again the other day, and it absolutely got me out of a bind twice in one day. So it's 3 times I've used it now. So I bought another one right here on this box. But first I'm going to show you the old one. Now I keep it in this box. We know you've seen it right over here in the background of probably 25 or 30 videos already, and the reason for that is I both like the company and I like the product. The company does an excellent job of manufacturing, and here's the old one right here. Now that sucker looks brand new, doesn't it? And the reason for that is I keep it looking that way, and it comes in a super nice little, get up here where you can see it. I got the camera so high. Anyway, that's how she's boxed right there, and it's boxed just like that from the factory, except this should be over here. And here it is. You've seen it, and it's in another video coming up too, because this video is not only is it an unboxing, it's also a Foxpeed Jumper Starter giveaway contest. There's going to be one winner, and that contest begins July 25th and runs through August 1st at midnight. I think that's correct. 7 days. And all you got to do is put in a number between 1 and 10,000. Closest person to, or the closest number to come to that winning number without going over, will be the winner. And if there's 50 of you that guess the very same number, the very first one that guesses that number, and we'll do timestamps, then you will be the winner. And all you got to do within 48 hours of, in other words, by midnight August 3rd, you will have to have your name, physical mailing address, cannot be a P.O. box, city, state, zip code, and phone number. Those 6 things. And again, you have to live within the United States, because that's the only place they ship to. So you got to have your name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number. There will be some other rules in the description below, so be sure you look at that description so that you can follow the rules. We want someone to win this thing because if you like it nearly as much as I do. Now, I've already cut this open because I know how my unboxings go. They're really boring. And I've already slithered this open too, so that all we got to do is, you can see, there is the old one. It's a year and a half old. I guess 2 years old. And this is the brand new one. So this is going to be the first time out of the box. Here we go. Now that looks just as good as this one right here. Now I don't ever plan these things, I just shoot them. But there you go. Old one, new one. This is 3rd generation Foxpeed, model G29. They're 2500 amp hours, I think they are. 2500 amp peak current. And they've been upgraded to 3rd gen QDSP technology. Have no idea what that is. But it comes with this, which that one did as well. And it comes with this looks identical to the other one. And that's the thing you plug into the power supply. It's got a little digital light on here, so it'll tell you what voltage it's putting into your battery. It comes with I think that's a number 3 size connector. It's got, looks like 10 gauge wire, nice and heavy. All you need to jump a car with anyway. Comes with this little power socket so that you can plug it directly in. Also comes with a charger to charge it with, wall charger, and it charges through a C-type USB port, and comes really nestled great inside one of these real heavy foam pouches, and that's what she looks like right there. This thing probably weighs a pound and a half, 2 pounds. It's really heavy. It's not heavy to a person, but it's heavy built, and it's got a really neat little deal here. It's got a flashlight. Now, oh, by the way, it came with 82% charge. There you go. You don't ever want one of these things come fully charged because they don't know how long they're going to sit on the shelf. So they don't want them fully charged whenever you buy a new lithium battery. So I'm going to turn the light on. If it, oh, look at it, works. Now I'm not going to shine this directly into your eyes because these things will absolutely blind you. But I think you get an idea right there. Now, also comes with something else. And I was laying there asleep and I was thinking about this. Man, I needed to put out a SOS. I don't know what for. I have no idea. But check this out, guys. Has the SOS built in. That's pretty neat. Alright, and to turn it off, all you can do is just hold it for like 3 seconds and it's off. So here's your power socket right here. This little sucker plugs into this right here, and it gives you a cigarette lighter or a power socket to use your 12-volt items off of. Also, here's your charge port right there. Just plug in your charger to that power socket and it charges right up. Okay, so here are some specs. It's 2500 amp peak current. It is, I think it has 21,000 milliamps of, 21,000 milliamps of power in the battery. And it will jump up to an 8-liter diesel or gasoline engine, and hey, that's pretty powerful too. So if you really want to win one of these things, it's a great little unit. As I've said, it's got me out of a hole 3 different times. So this announcement is to give you an idea that you have an opportunity to win one for free. It's they're usually like $129 since the COVID thing in the last year. They're selling them right now for $79 to keep their factories going, to keep you in business, and get you into them at a reduced price so that you can buy these things and see just how great they are, so you can sell them for your friends, to your friends. So again, be sure leave a number when that contest opens, and it opens on August 25th. But leave that number, enter this contest, and maybe you'll win. Hopefully you'll win. And there is no purchase necessary. Foxpeed is being nice enough to supply this jumper starter directly to you. They'll be shipping it directly to you, not from me. So be sure to give them a big thumbs up. Let Foxpeed know that you appreciate them. Follow them. You can follow them on Facebook. You can even talk to them on Facebook. They're great people. Miss Cindy Lou, thank you so kindly for helping us out and helping out the viewers of Max's Garage Mahal. And big shout out to Foxpeed and everyone over there. We really appreciate you guys. So, and thank you for getting me out of a bind 2 or 3 times. So that's the reason why I've got another one, is to make sure that we have one in each vehicle. That's the way to go. So again, we appreciate everyone. We would like for you to like this video. Oh, by the way, on the contest video, you have to subscribe, you have to like, you have to share, and leave a number. Those 4 things. But you have to like, subscribe, and share. All right. So once again, if you haven't already, please subscribe. We could use the subscribers. Please like. We need the likes. We also would like for you to share these videos, and as we always say at Max's Garage Mahal, y'all come back and see us now. You hear? That's a wrap.